I welcome you to our country, to the city of Manila, and to the Cathedral Basilica of the Immaculate Conception. Welcome. Benvenuto.
Benvenuto. Words of gratitude.
We are filled with joy, for you are with us, especially in the first Eucharistic celebration of your pastoral visit. The Manila Cathedral is the first cathedral in the Philippines. It can be considered a symbol of the Filipino people. Fire destroyed the first cathedral. The succeeding 5 cathedrals were either partially or totally damaged by earthquakes, the most massive of which struck in 1863, burying in rubble the members of the cathedral chapter, the choir, and the lay faithful. The 7th cathedral was mercilessly bombed along with the other buildings in the walled city of Manila, Intramuros, during the Battle of Liberation in 1945. We are gathered
Na-restore
today,
na rin
Your
naman kasi
Holiness,
gumanda na nga.
in the 8th cathedral building. And we closed it 3 years ago for repairs. Now it is open and it warmly welcomes you. This cathedral has been razed to the ground many times, but it refuses to disappear. It boldly rises from the ruins, just like the Filipino people. Yes, Holy Father, we bishops, priests, and religious men and women have seen and have lived the suffering, but also the determination of our people. We are afflicted in every way possible, but we are not crushed. What is the secret of the resilience of the Filipinos? Father Horacio de la Costa, your confrere, a Jesuit, historian, writer, priest, religious,
Napakaganda niyang tumawa, no?
nationalist, provides an insight.
Alam mo, sincere yung ngiti
That
niya.
the Filipino has 2 treasures. We have 2 wealths: music and faith. La musica e la fede. Our melodies make our spirits soar above the tragedies of life. Our faith makes us stand up again and again after deadly fires, earthquakes, typhoons, and wars. And now, as many of our poor people are just beginning to rise from recent natural and human-made calamities, as we are struggling, you, Holy Father, came to us. You bring fire. You bring fire, not to destroy, but to purify. You bring an earthquake, not to shatter, but to awaken. You bring weapons, not to kill, but to assure, to encourage. Indeed, you are Peter, the rock upon which Jesus builds his church. You are Peter.
You are Peter, carpenter.
You are Peter who comes to strengthen your brothers and sisters in faith. We welcome you, successor of Peter, to this blessed land of untiring hope, of infinite music, and of joyful faith. With your visit, we know Jesus, only Jesus, will renew and rebuild his church in the Philippines. Mabuhay po kayo, Santo Padre.
Namin ang kawiskon,
Sumayo ang Panginoon,
At sumunod.
sino man daw ang ginarikon,
pagpalain naman ang ngalan ng Panginoon, ngayon at
ito yung
magpakailanman.
nasa may namin ang Domin,
Ang tulong natin ay sa ngalan ng Panginoon na gumawa ng langit at lupa.
Pater,
Pagpalain kayo ng makapangyarihang Diyos, Ama, Anak, at Espiritu Santo.
Ite missa est.
Diyos na misa, salamat sa Diyos. Ngayon naawit ang Alma Redemptoris Mater, isang awitin para sa ating mahal na ina.
Mamaya sa MOA si Jamie, no? Sa MOA si Jamie. Sa Tacloban, tsaka sa Grandstand. 3 beses kakanta si Jamie. Love is love. Kakain lang yan.